So what I'm going to do now is to actually show you exactly how I run through an entire trading workflow all the way from trade analysis to trade execution to trade review. Of course, there will be a lot of details in terms of how I actually do this workflow that I can't explain to you during the demonstration. But what's important is for me to show you how a typical workflow is going to be like, and I will try to run through as generally as possible what are the top process that I have as I run through those workflows so that you can see for yourself if that will actually help you become a more disciplined trader or not. So here it goes. Alright, like what I mentioned earlier on when I explained the trade analysis, trade execution, and the trade review workflow, the first step that I usually take in terms of the trade analysis part is to actually set up a watch list. So in this case, I've already set up a watch list based on a certain requirements that I have based on those kind of instruments that I want to put inside my watch list. Of course, I don't have enough time to actually explain in detail how this is being done. I'll explain more about that later on. So generally, as you can see over here, this is a list of the stocks that has already been put into the watch list based on my native market. And usually what you do or what I do thereafter, after I input all those stocks into the watch list, I will actually open them up, and one by one I will actually put in all those lines. And of course, this is the initial steps that usually will take up more time when you are first building up your initial watch list. But once you have actually put all these lines in subsequently, you don't actually change them that often. And as such, you just have to more of like update them once in a while whenever there's any new developments in terms of the price market. So as you can see over here, I'm starting to input in all those key uptrend lines as well as the horizontal support resistance levels first before I even look at if there's any potential trading setups that I want to look into.